Yeah, hi, this is Midhi Naveen Kommalapati. Today I would like to discuss about the reading assignment 9, and the topic of this assignment is a review and analysis on knowledge discovery and data mining techniques. And these are the others of that particular article. And coming to the section 1, the FP growth estimation is faster than the previous methodology across a recommendation of significant degree, but the nonlinear FP growth equation for equating endless feature subsets want to repeatedly establish limits such as outposts and dependent analogy trees and throughout the hover sprint harvesting. As a result, the iterative drilling concept is not only poor at managing the time, but also have a large space. Their primary goal is to increase the productivity of process frequently occurring outliers and on large data sets. We suggest a different technique to limit temporary calculations, termed consult node miners for moment 3D squares, when instance might apply in a whole or only some of the time span. Our focus is increasing the residual into the previous exercises to provide a useful computation with the mind situation, as well as the perspective influence and suggestion for the current. It provides both desirable and undesirable data mining methods. It also contains the outcomes that have already been revealed as well as recommendations. It is evident from the study and conversation elsewhere that the powerful data collection data exploration engine is required, able to handle prospect creation and qualifying for both beneficial and harmful classifiers. The querying of the maximum earlier scale sequential substance in the main focus of this research. A simplest representation of modern value extracted features in the maximum coming similarity measure respectively. This presentation is highly helpful with while bandwidth is a problem and the collection forecast is large. For the large data, the portion of the late loaded present tuples might be much fewer than the number of maxwell delayed loaded ordinary subsequences. Finding outliers with usability characters beyond the decentralization applications margin is the main goal of high average utility extraction. As a result, usage querying plays a crucial role in main ongoing processes and is crucial study area in the data framework strategy to find the frequent items also with the highest usefulness. They have demonstrated how first section has been implemented. Such meanings connections in regards to common entries and external doors are all discussed in this work. Additionally, it identifies thresholding from online analytical frameworks and examine their utilization, routine, mental, or procedures using check notes. The exploitation of the maximum earlier graded sequential entries is the main focus of this research. A simple representation of the latest balanced extracted features is maximum latest cluster centers respectively. Their representation is extremely useful as a bandwidth is a problem and collecting prediction is large. And this is the section 1. And coming to the section 2, yes, this paper or document is good and decent to read and understand by the beginners. Also because the process that the other follow to explain the concepts is very interesting. The other elaborated very well. Each and every concept has been elaborated in detail with perfect examples. The research problems are so elaborate. The main reason to accept and publish this paper is the document is so advanced and future helpful for more research explanations. This is also next generation improving concepts. The data that has been collected for this document is well estimated for all the purposes. The strengths of the paper are strong explanations and detailed examples so that any beginner can understand the concepts so easily and they can elaborate for their future purposes. The quality of data he collected is very important and apt for this concept. The appropriateness and quality research design is very good. The concept writing also so perfect. So I understood the research design clearly. I design is very appropriate for the research. The steps are very well explained. The other applied very well efforts for this research because this very new concept to through and detail the concept. The data that the other collected is very reliable and valid. It demonstrates similarities between various approaches and the obtained outcomes. Differences are indicated in front of here. The primary object of the study is to examine the technical advancements in the main sectors mentioned earlier and to analyze various methodologies based on their potential for this information extraction. In this context, a number of submitted approaches for the examination were explored. This report provides a thorough understanding of the short outcomes, benefits, and likely new consequences and prospects. Yes, in the future, the paper can be improved. I may collaborate on methods of collecting data and their use of for methods like identification. As of now, I don't have much idea about the first things, but we can improve more in the future. There will be no problem for the future extensions. I have learned the analysis process in a new method according the document needs. They showed constructions on how much space certain projects may consume. List the elements that may benefit from enhancement and be used in data mining investigations. And this is section 2. Coming to the section 3, I have a few questions about this article. Those are, what are the detailed go through of negative rule mining and threshold level in the aspect of data mining? Need a little more detail about HUI mining. Thank you.